Take a ride in the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.